A chilling moment unfolds as an Air Canada flight nearly faces a crash landing due to robust winds at Toronto Pearson Airport. The gripping footage shared on Wake Turbulence Aviation's YouTube channel exhibits a Boeing 777-300ER struggling with crosswinds during its landing on runway 06L-24R. This aircraft arriving from Tokyo encountered severe crosswinds, causing heart-stopping moments as it made contact with the runway. The skilled pilot's prompt actions prevented a potential disaster. The tumultuous weather at Toronto Pearson Airport saw crosswinds reaching speeds of 31.5 km/h, coupled with gusts peaking at 48 km/h, creating a challenging landing scenario for the incoming flight from Narita. An Air Canada spokesperson reported a hard landing resulting from these powerful crosswinds, further highlighting the airline's commitment to review the incident in line with regulatory reporting requirements. They reiterated the proficiency of Air Canada pilots in handling diverse situations, including adverse weather conditions. The viral video, garnering nearly 115,000 views, attracted comments applauding the pilot's swift response and averted catastrophe. Witness accounts described the scene, depicting the close call from various perspectives. Despite the harrowing landing, Flight AC-002, accommodating 373 passengers, fortunately reported no injuries following the incident. Incidents like this are rare, but highlight the crucial role of pilot expertise and airline protocols in ensuring passenger safety during challenging weather conditions. As travelers, we value the dedication and competence of aviation professionals, ensuring safe journeys even in the face of unexpected challenges.